Today we're going to replace the cap nuts and nozzles on this injector out of a 1960s Fordson Dexta. We bolt it to the plate, put the plate in the vise and take the cap nut off with the huge adjustable spanner. This is the way a conventional needle jet injector works. Just the same as a pintle injector, except on a pintle injector there is a small pintle or pin sticking out at the bottom here. The diesel is delivered under pressure from the injector pump down here and into this area in the nozzle between the end of the nozzle and the needle. When enough pressure has built up to overcome the spring here, the valve opens and squirts diesel out of the bottom here. Simple. Cap nut, nozzle and needle valve. If you check that the new needle valve stem projects the same amount as the old needle valve stem, you know that the injector will be set at the same. I just clean the mating surface, fit the new nozzle onto the locating pegs, and fit the new cap nut. Nip it up nice and tight. Job done. Now we should really test it for pressure in a pop tester, but if you've got a pop tester you'll already know what you're doing, so we're just going to put it straight back on the tractor and do the others.